Hi students, hope you are all fine. Today you can see the exercise 1.4, sixth question. Find the square root by long division method. To find the square root, you must know the square from at least 1 to 9. 1 square means 1 into 1, 2 square, 2 into 2, 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81, 10 square is equal to 100. You must know at least 1 to 10 square. Now see here, to find the square root of 1764, you must find the square root by long division method. See how many digits? 4 digits. From the right, you must count 1, 2 and leave this, put the comma. 1, 2, hereafter no digit, therefore stop. You must separate each and every digit by comma. Each and every 2 digit by comma. Now see the first 2 digit 17. See the square 1, 4, 9, 16. The 17 is nearest to the 16. Lies between 16 and 25. Therefore, take the 4 square. Right here 4, here also 4. 4 4s are 16. Subtract 1. Now take the continuous 2 digits. Now you have a number 164. This is the quotient place. From the quotient place, multiply the 4 into 2. That is 8. Here leave one space and write 8. Multiply the quotient into 2 and write here 8. Now see here. See the first number. That is 1. If you have 1, take the second digit also. Here you have 16. Now check the number with 8. Okay. 16. Say the table 8, 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16. Therefore, you write the number 8 here, nearest to 8, write 2 into 2. Why you are using 2? Here you have 16. That's why you are using 2. 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. Now, you got the same number. Therefore, write the 2 here. Into 2 right here in the quotient place. Now write 164. The square root of 1764 is equal to 42. 1764. Clear? திரும்ப இருக்க கவனிச்சுக்கோங்க. எத்தனை டிஜிட் இருக்கு? 1 2 3 4. ரைட் சைடில் இருந்து வலது பக்கத்தில் இருந்து 2 டிஜிட்டாக செப்பரேட் பண்ணி காமா போடணும். அப்போ 1 2 புட் த காமா, ஹியர் 1 2, ஹியர் ஆஃப்டர். இதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு டிஜிட்ஸ் இல்லை, அதனால விட்டுருங்க. நாவ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருக்கிறத பாருங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கமாக்கு முந்தினது 17. ஸ்கொயர் நம்பர்ஸ் பார்க்கணும். 17 வந்து 16க்கும் 25க்கும் இடையில இருக்கு. 17 16க்கும் 25க்கும் இடையில இருக்கு. அப்போ 16 தான் எடுக்கணும். சின்ன நம்பர். That is 4 square. 4 into 4. இது என்ன எந்த பிளேஸ்? டிவைசர். டிவைசர் பிளேஸ்ல 4ம் கோஷன் பிளேஸ்ல 4ம் போட்டு 4 4s are 16. அதை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிருங்க. You will get 1. உங்களுக்கு 1 கிடைக்கும். அடுத்தது நம்ம இறக்கும் போது ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்டுக்கு மட்டும் 2 டிஜிட்ஸா இறக்கணும். அதுக்கு தான் நம்ம 2 டிஜிட்ஸா கவுண்ட் பண்ணி செப்பரேட் பண்றோம் காமா போட்டு. அப்போ 2 டிஜிட்ஸா இறக்குறீங்க. இறக்கும்போது 64. இப்போ உங்க கையில் இருக்கிற நம்பர் 164. இந்த கோஷன்ல 4 மட்டும் இருக்கும். அந்த 4 2ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி இங்கே 8ன்னு போடணும். இந்த லைனுக்கு நேரா 8ன்னு போடணும். இதுக்கு நேரா அந்த சைடு 8க்கு பக்கத்துல ஸ்பேஸ் விட்டுக்கோங்க. 8க்கு பக்கத்துல ஒரு நம்பரை போட்டு அதே நம்பரால மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். 1 போட்டிங்கன்னா 1 போட்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். 2 போட்டிங்கன்னா 2 போட்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். அதுதான் உங்க ஒர்க் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் கண்டுபிடிக்க. அதுக்கு ஒரு க்ளூ, என்ன க்ளூன்னா இந்த டிஜிட்ஸ் பாருங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 1ஆ இருந்தா ரெண்டையும் சேர்த்து எடுத்துக்கோங்க. எடுத்துட்டு இந்த 8 டேபிளுக்கு பக்கத்தில் உள்ள நம்பரை செக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா தெரிஞ்சிடும். 8 2 are 16. அதனால 2 into 2 செக் பண்ணேன், எனக்கு அதே நம்பர் கிடைச்சிட்டு. அதனால therefore உங்க ஆன்சர் என்ன ஆயிட்டு? ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஆஃப் 1764 is equal to 42. See the fifth question. Square root of 4,18,609. Put the square long division method. How many digits? 6 digits. எப்படி பிரிக்கணும்னு சொன்னேன்? 2 digit ரைட் சைடுல இருந்து காமா போட்டு பிரிக்கணும். 1 2 1 2. Now 41. See the 41. Recall the square. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 49 is greater than 41. Therefore, you have to take 6 6 36. Subtract 3. 11 minus 6. Yes, 5. Now you must take 2 digit. Why? Now you are finding the square root. Now multiply the 6 into 2 and write here. 6 2s are 12. இந்த 6 2ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி இந்த லைனுக்கு நேரா எழுதணும். that is 12. ஏற்கனவே சொன்னேன், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட்டை பாருங்க 5. இந்த 12 ஓட சின்ன நம்பரா இருக்குன்னா விட்டுருங்க. அடுத்ததையும் சேர்த்து எடுத்துக்கோங்க. 58. 12 டேபிள்ல 58 எது பக்கத்துல போகுதுன்னு நீங்க திங்க் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். 12 டேபிள்ல 58 யோசித்து பாத்தீங்களா? 12 4s are 48. அப்ப நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 4 கொண்டு ட்ரை பண்ண போறோம். ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகலைன்னா 5 போனோம். பெரிய நம்பரா இருந்தா 3 போனோம். 4 into 4. இந்த 12 பக்கத்துல 4 multiply பண்றதும் 4. You must multiply 124 into 4. Same number. 4 4s are 16. 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 496. Greater than 490. Therefore, you have to go to the next step. 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2. 2 5s are 10. 12. 1. 1 5 is 5. You can't give for 5 because 625 is greater than 586. Therefore, you must give for 4. 496. Subtract 4 minus 4. Here 3 minus 3 0. Okay. 6 minus 6 0. You can't subtract, borrow. 18 minus 9 9. Here 0 because you borrowed already. Now take the next 2 digits 0 9. 9009. Here in the quotient place you have 64. Multiply 64 into 2. 64 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. 128. Write in the straight. This and this must in the straight line. Now, here the first number is 9. Here see 128. See here See the first digit. See the first digit here. 1 and 9. That is not easy to calculate. Therefore, take 90 and 12. First two digits from here and here. 12. 12 5s are 60, 12 6 are 72, nearest to 6 or 7. Take 6 or 7, okay. 6 into 6, otherwise 7 into 7. One more clue, 6 into 6 is 36. 7 into 7 is 49. See the last digit 9, therefore try for 7. 7 sevens are 49, 4. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 4, 60. 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 2, 9. See here? Therefore, 7 into 7. Write the 7 here. Therefore, square root of 4,18,609 is equal to 647. One more question. Fourth one, square root of 17956. 17,956. Put the long division method. 17,956. To find the square root, take two digits and put the comma from the right side. Count two digits, put the comma. Now here only one digit. Now see, you have 1. Say the square. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 4 is greater than 1. Therefore, you can have to give for 1 only. 1 is 1. 1 is 1. Subtract 1 minus 1 is 0. Now take the two digits. Why you are taking two digits? Because now you are finding the square root. For finding square root, you must take two digits. Now 79. Now see the quotient. Quotient is 1. Multiply the quotient into 2 and write here. 1, 2 is 2. Write here in the straight line 79 and 2 is in the straight line. Now check here to find the square root. See the first digit 7. Here first digit 2. You can recall the table 2. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 8 is greater than. Therefore, try to give for 3. 4 means 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. See here, if you multiply 3 into 3, 23 into 3 is 69. Here you have 79. If you have a doubt, you can multiply with the 4 also. 4 means you must get greater than 79. 4 4s are 16. 1, 2 4s are 8. 98 is greater than 79. Therefore, 3 into 3. Write here 3, here 3. 23 into 3 is 69. Now subtract 0. 7 minus 6, 1. Now you must take two digits. 5, 6. Now see the quotient. Quotient is 13. 13. Multiply the 13 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 1 2 is 2. Therefore 26. Right here 26. See the first digit 2. Here see the first digit 1. Therefore you can't decide immediately. Because here 1, take 10, 2 and 10. Recall the table. 2 5s are 10. If you give for 6, that is greater than. Therefore, you must give for 5, otherwise 4. First check for 5. 5 5s are 2, 6, 5. 5 5s are 25. 2, 6 5s are 30, 32, 3, 2 5s are 10, 13. This is greater than this number. Therefore, you must give for 4. 2, 6, 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 1. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. 2. 2 4s are 8. See the number? Okay. Now give 4 and 4. Okay. Therefore, square root of 17,956 is equal to 134. For you homework, second and third one. Sixth question, second and third one. Seventh question, estimate the value of the following square roots to the nearest whole number. Square root of 440. From the right, count 2 digits and put the comma. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 0. Take the next digit. 2 into 2 is 4. See here, if you multiply 41 into 1, 4 க்கு பக்கத்துல ஒரு 1 multiply பண்ண வேண்டியதும் 1. 4 nearest to 4, you put 1, multiply 1. 1 into 1, the number is 41. You can't give. Therefore, you must take 2 digits. For that, you are not using the 40, therefore you put 0 and put the decimal. Okay. Now, your number is here 40. See here, to find the nearest whole number, you must find after the decimal 1 digit, at least 1 digit. Then only you can find the nearest whole number. For that, first see here 4,000, here 40. 40 divided by 40 is 1. Therefore, you take the third digit also, 400. 400 divided by 40, you will get it 10. Okay. Therefore, you try for 9. 9 nines are 81. Therefore, 9, 9. Immediately you can write the nearest whole number is after the decimal place. If the number is 5 or greater than 5, you must add 1. Therefore, nearest whole number is 21. Square root of 440 nearest, that is approximate whole number is 21. 3681. Subtract and write. Okay. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 8, 9 minus 6. Now see the second one. Square root of 800. For this also you must find the nearest whole number. See here. Square root of 800, 1, 2, put the comma, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 2 square, you must find the square only, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, therefore you can't give for 3 square, therefore 2 square, 2 2s are 4, subtract 4, write that 0. Now 2 into 2, 4. See here, 4 by 4, 1. Therefore, take 40. You will get 10. Therefore, give for 9. 9 nines are 81. 4 nines are 36. 36 plus 8, 44. You can't give because 441 is greater than 400. Now, you give for 8. It is a 64, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6, 38, 384. Therefore, 8 8s are 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 8, 1, here 0. See here, you must find the nearest whole number, therefore take 2 more 0 for this, you put the decimal. Now, multiply 28 into 2. Right here, take the first digit, here 1, therefore take 16. 16 divided by 5, 3.7, therefore try for 3. 56, 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 3,589. Therefore, immediately you can decide after the decimal place less than 5. Therefore, nearest whole number is what? 28. Square root of 1020. 4 digit, 1 2, put the comma, 1 2, therefore 10. Now recall the square. 1 square is 1, 2 square, 3 square is 9, 4 square is, what is the value for 4 square? 16. 16 is greater than 10. Therefore, you must take 3 square. 3 3s are 9. Subtract 10 minus 9, 1. Now, multiply 3 into 2 and write here. You must multiply the quotient into 2. Now, check the first digit. Take here 2 digits. 12 divided by 6. 6th table means 2. Okay. Try this. 6 in 6. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. 124 is greater than this. Therefore, you must give for the previous number, that is 161. 61 into 61. 61. Subtract. You will get 59. 10 minus 1, 9. 11 minus 6, 59. Now, to find the nearest whole number, you must take 2 more 0 and put the decimal. Now, multiply the quotient. 31 into 2. 62. See the first digit, 6. 5 is less than 6, therefore take 59. 59, see the 6th table. 6 9s are 54. Therefore, give for 9. 9 9s are 50. 9 9s are 81. 18. 26. 54. 56. 5 6 6 4 6 1. See here. 9 into 9. After the decimal, you have a number 9. 9 is greater than 5. Therefore, you must count 1 from this whole number. 31 plus 1 is 32. Therefore, square root of 1020 is approximate to the nearest whole number is 32. See the 8th question, you must find the square root of a decimal number. Okay. For the decimal number, before the decimal, you must count from the right side. After the decimal, you must count from the left side. Okay. For this question, you have no problem. Just see, before the decimal, only one digit. After the decimal, only two digits. Just lay. 1 is 1. Remainder is 1. Put the decimal here. Take 89. Now 189. 1 2 is 2. See, 2. 1 is less than 2. Therefore, take 18. 9 2s are 18. Therefore, try to give for 9. 9 9s are 81. 2 9s are 18. 26. Therefore, you can't give. Try to give the previous number. 8 into 8. 2. Nearest to 2, write 8 into 8. 64. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 6, 22. That is also not enough. Then give for 7. 7 7s are 49. 2 7s are 14. See, just I gave the clue, that is 9. Immediately you can check the number 9 because this is the square root of 9 means 9 into 9 you will get 81, that is 1. 8 into 8, 64, 4. 7 to 7 only you will get 49, then 1's place is 9. Therefore 7 into 7, 189. Therefore square root of 2.89 is equal to 1.7. Now, see the second question. 67.24. Before the decimal 2 digit, after the decimal also 2 digit. Therefore, see the 67. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. Therefore, 8 8s are 64. Subtract 3. Put the decimal here. Then take the next 2 digit. 8 2s are 16. See, 16 into 2, 32. 16, 2 into 2. 2 2s are. Therefore, square root of 67.24 is equal to 8.2.